Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the Toyota 4runner on a flat, level surface and set the parking brake. Place wheel chocks behind and in front of opposite tires to prevent roll. Gather a 2-ton floor jack, 3 jack stands rated at least 3 tons each, and a lug wrench. Wear eye protection and gloves to protect your hands and eyes. Remove loose objects from under the vehicle and keep children and pets far away. Confirm the jack and stands have no visible damage or leaks before use. Identify the manufacturer's jacking points on your 4runner before lifting. Use the pinch welds directly behind the front wheels and ahead of the rear wheels. For center lifts, position the jack under the axle tube or differential as appropriate. Avoid plastic body mounts, fuel tank edges, or painted rocker panels. When placing jack stands, choose solid frame or bolt-on rocker support locations. Always consult the owner's manual if unsure about the exact pinch weld markings. Loosen the lug nuts slightly while the tire still contacts the ground to prevent spinning. Position the floor jack at the chosen jacking point and pump steadily until the tire clears the ground by about 3 inches. Slide 2 jack stands under solid frame points and 1 under the axle or differential for balance. Slowly lower the vehicle onto the stands and confirm all stands sit flat and stable. Give the vehicle a gentle push to test stability before working under it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.